This office chair mat for hardwood and tile floors is a well thought out addition to any workspace, offering both style and practicality. Measuring 36 inches by 48 inches, this mat is designed to fit comfortably under most desks, providing a smooth surface for your chair to glide across. One of the standout features is its premium printed fabric, which not only adds a touch of sophistication to your office or gaming room, but also complements a variety of decors. Whether you're going for a modern look or something more classic, this mat can easily blend in while elevating the overall aesthetic of your space. The textured surface ensures that your chair rolls smoothly without any hitches, while the anti-slip backing keeps the mat securely in place. This balance between easy movement and stability is essential, especially if you spend long hours at your desk. You won't have to worry about the mat sliding around or bunching up under your chair, which can be a common issue with other products. Maintenance is a breeze with this mat. It's easy to clean, just vacuum or wipe down with a damp cloth for everyday care, and it's even machine washable for a deeper clean. Plus, it's foldable, so you can easily store it when not in use, keeping it fresh and ready for the next time you need it. On the downside, while the mat is great on hard surfaces, it may not perform as well on thicker carpets where it might not stay as flat. In summary, this office chair mat is a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to protect their floors and improve their workspace. It's easy to maintain and durable, making it a solid choice for both home and office environments.